You ever have your car make a noise like a dying walrus? The sound is so alarming it makes you wonder if your car is trying to communicate its last will and testament. I did. Turns out it needed an oil change. Who would have thought that something as simple as oil could make such a difference? Who knew cars needed their lifeblood, right? Seriously though, car maintenance is no joke. It's the difference between a smooth ride and a roadside disaster. It's not just about avoiding embarrassing sounds. It's about safety and keeping your car on the road longer. Regular maintenance can prevent those unexpected breakdowns that always seem to happen at the worst possible times. Think of it like this. You wouldn't run a marathon without training, right? Your car needs the same kind of preparation to handle the long haul. Same goes for your car. Fluids, filters, and all those little things you might not think about. They all play a crucial role in keeping your car running smoothly. Regular checkups and maintenance are like giving your car the energy drink it needs to keep going. Plus, a well-maintained car is just more fun to drive. You can feel the difference in every turn and acceleration. It's not just about getting from point A to point B, it's about enjoying the journey. Okay, so we've established that cars need love too. Just like any relationship, the more you put into it, the more you get out of it. But why exactly is car maintenance so important? It's not just about keeping your car looking good, it's about ensuring that every part of your vehicle is functioning as it should. From the engine to the tires, every component plays a crucial role in your car's performance. Well, for starters, it keeps you safe. A well-maintained car is less likely to break down unexpectedly, leaving you stranded on the side of the road. Worn brakes, bald tires, these are not your friends. They can lead to dangerous situations, especially in bad weather conditions. Imagine trying to stop quickly on a wet road with worn-out brakes. It's a recipe for disaster. They're like that friend who shows up late and forgets your birthday. Not cool. And just like you wouldn't rely on that friend in a pinch, you shouldn't rely on worn-out car parts. Regular maintenance also saves you money in the long run. It might seem like a hassle to take your car in for regular checkups, but it's worth it. Small issues can be caught early before they turn into big expensive problems. Think of it as an investment. Spending a little bit of money now on routine maintenance can save you a lot of money down the road. It's like putting money into a savings account for your car. A little bit of money now on an oil change can save you thousands later on a new engine. Regular oil changes keep your engine running smoothly and prevent costly repairs. Trust me, I've seen it happen. And it's not pretty. A neglected car can lead to major headaches and expenses. So, what are the basics of car maintenance? Well, you've got your oil change, your tire rotation, your brake checks. These are like the holy trinity of car care. Get them done regularly and your car will thank you. Oil change is like giving your car a blood transfusion. It keeps everything running smoothly. Tire rotation ensures your tires wear evenly, kind of like rotating your crops. And brake checks? Well, those are pretty self-explanatory. You don't want to find yourself in a situation where you need to stop and you can't. Remember that dying walrus sound I mentioned earlier? That was just the beginning. Ignoring car maintenance is like ignoring a leaky faucet. Sure, it's annoying at first, but eventually it turns into a full-blown flood. Neglecting maintenance can lead to breakdowns, accidents, and costly repairs. Suddenly, that cheap oil change doesn't seem so bad, does it? Here's a quirky tip for you. Check your tire pressure when the tires are cold. This is because the air inside the tires expands when they heat up, giving you a false reading. It gives you a more accurate reading. Always make sure to check it before you start driving for the day. You learn something new every day, right? Car maintenance might seem daunting, but it's all about the little things that make a big difference. So there you have it. A fun fact and a quirky tip to keep you and your car in top shape. Now go out there and give your car some love. Regular maintenance and a little bit of attention can go a long way in ensuring your car stays in great shape for years to come.